the rest of the morning, and we'll have to catch up at lunchtime. In the meantime, off you guys go. I hope you enjoy your ride. I know Thomas.
Please keep Bombardi points out the window.
Unless you're waving.
Unless you're waving. Please keep Bombardi points